Well, let's open up a couple packs today. I think we'll go with this guy right here, Lightning Power Box. We'll find out if it has anything worthwhile in it. Some might say all Pokemon are worthwhile. Got this little storage unit here. Looks like this was possibly resold package. Don't know. Let's see. Oh, we don't want to go that. We'll go quick. Whoa, hey. Already. I like that. Boom. Like it too. Boom. Whoa. These are all shiny. I spoke too soon. Look at this. Look at this. So that first one, full art. Oh, kind of looks like it. Boom. Boom. This actually super surprised. Something I'm learning. This was a good box. Was that the only one that wasn't shiny? You know, shiny. Gloss. Whoa. And the last one. Okay. Well, you know what? This Lightning Power Box I thought was going to be a dud. Was not a dud. Maybe these are not super valuable, but they add to my shiny full art type of collection. Thanks. We'll see what else we open today.